Welcome to Iowa, new residents. We're thrilled to have you join our community and want to ensure you're well informed about our state's unique laws, especially concerning firearms. Iowa stands out with its relatively permissive gun laws, particularly since July 1st, 2021, when permitless carry became the law of the land. This means anyone 18 years or older legally able to possess a handgun under state and federal law can carry it openly or concealed without needing a permit. Despite permitless carry, Iowa continues to offer permits to carry, which provides several benefits for residents. These permits are beneficial for reciprocity with other states, allowing you to carry legally when traveling outside Iowa. Additionally, having a permit can help you avoid potential NICS delays when purchasing firearms, streamlining the process. It also clarifies any questions about an individual's eligibility to carry, providing peace of mind and legal certainty. Now let's delve into specific aspects of Iowa's firearm laws, starting with the duty to inform. Iowa has a duty to inform law, which is crucial for all firearm owners to understand. If you are carrying a weapon, either openly or concealed, and are approached by a law enforcement officer, you must inform them that you are carrying. Furthermore, if you possess a permit to carry, you are required to present it to the officer upon request. Failing to inform an officer in these situations is considered a misdemeanor, so it's vital to remember this responsibility. Next, let's discuss conceal and carry in more detail, building on Iowa's permitless carry status. As of July 1st, 2021, Iowa is indeed a permitless carry state, a significant change for firearm enthusiasts. Any person 18 years or older who can legally possess a handgun can carry it, openly or concealed, without a specific permit. However, Iowa continues to issue permits to carry weapons, or PCWs, primarily for reciprocity purposes with other states. It's important to note a specific restriction. Open carry of handguns is prohibited in the state capitol building and its grounds. This prohibition applies to everyone except authorized law enforcement personnel. Moving on, let's explore the regulations surrounding firearm suppressors in Iowa. Iowa law permits the possession of firearm suppressors, provided they fully comply with federal law. Federal law mandates the registration of suppressors with the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms, and Explosives, or ATF. Purchasing a suppressor involves a $200 federal tax and a comprehensive registration process. Iowa defines a firearm suppressor as a mechanical device specifically constructed and designed to silence, muffle, or suppress the sound of a firearm when fired. Next, we address magazine capacity, a topic often subject to varying regulations in other states. In Iowa, you'll find a refreshing lack of restrictions. There are no state laws relating to large capacity magazines. This means residents are not limited in the capacity of their firearm magazines. Beyond these specific laws, there are several additional considerations important for new Iowa residents. First, the Iowa Constitution proudly states, "The right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed." This constitutional right underscores the state's commitment to firearm ownership. Iowa also upholds a stand your ground law, empowering individuals in self-defense situations. Under this law, a person has no duty to retreat from any place where they are lawfully present before using force in self-defense. This provides significant legal protection for those acting to defend themselves or others. However, it's crucial to be aware of weapons-free zones where firearms are strictly prohibited. It is a felony to carry or transport a firearm on the grounds of a public or non-public school, unless specifically permitted by Iowa Code. Understanding these zones is paramount to avoid serious legal consequences. Another vital point concerns intoxication and firearm possession. It is unequivocally unlawful to carry a dangerous weapon while under the influence of alcohol or any intoxicating substance. Responsible firearm ownership always includes sobriety. Iowa also benefits from state preemption of firearms laws. This means local governments cannot enact their own restrictions on firearms. State law governs all firearm regulations. This ensures uniformity and prevents a patchwork of confusing local ordinances. Finally, let's clarify the minimum age requirements for firearms in Iowa. The minimum age to purchase or carry a handgun in Iowa is 18 years old. This age requirement applies consistently across the state for both purchase and carry. We hope this overview has been helpful in understanding Iowa's firearm laws. Iowa truly values the rights of its citizens, and we're proud of our clear and consistent approach to firearm regulations. For more insights into Iowa's laws and conservative perspectives, please remember to like this video. Subscribe to the Right Slant channel for more informative content, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our future updates. Thank you for joining us, and welcome again to the great state of Iowa.